Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. You see it's pretty nice. Okay, let's see how we can create that. At first we need to insert a new slot and format the background to the color we want. For the light we are going to use the color yellow and then apply it to all. Now we need this shape and the alter shape. So how we can create? The first thing is that we need to create this shape. This shape is the hardest shape we need to create. Let's create it. Okay, this is the first shape. How we create that identical shape we created? By holding shift, create a circle, and then go align it center and align it middle, and hold Ctrl and Shift to create a copy of that and put them here. Then press Ctrl A and go to shapeform and make them fragment. And now the shape is ready. What you need to set the shape outline to none. Let's see. Okay, shape outline to none and shape effect to the thing you want. This is good, I think. And then you need to have the text paste here. But you see, the text is not looking well. So how we can make it fix? Now I cut the text and insert a circle and paste it here, and then I'm going to set the shape outline to none and the shape fill to no fill. Okay, everything is ready. Now we need to recolor it to black. Now everything is ready. We just need to affect it. So let's make it black and create another triangle on that and make it black and copy that, paste it here, copy that slide and bring these two out by each other for the last move out and set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. It's look great. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.